In this segment, we visit the Suffolk Visitor Center Pavilion for the Farmers Market grand opening. Then we head over to North Suffolk for the first annual Military Appreciation Day held at Bennett's Creek Park. And finally, we take a stroll over to the 6th annual Mutt Strut and Dog Festival. Where can you get the freshest meats and vegetables, purchase one-of-a-kind items including accessories and gifts, and have enough activities for kids to last for hours? The Suffolk Farmers Market. Now open for the season, people came out to the market and left with bags of fresh goodies.
I love meeting the customers, and I just love the atmosphere, the friendly vendors, and we've been doing this for 4 years. This is our 5th, and we know a lot of people, and we love it. We work for about 2 days the day before and bringing it here, so it's a lot of work and preparation, the baking.
I like it. I really enjoy to do the cash register. I think that's my favorite part, and spending time with my mom. It's more natural than the store, and it's better quality sometimes than the store, and sometimes it's actually cheaper.
It supports your community and giving back to the farmers and helping them be able to support their family and their livelihood without having to, for us, it's without them having to come to market. So we resell for them, but I think it's really important and it's healthier too. And when it's local, you get it much sooner and it's much fresher.
We've been coming since we moved to Suffolk every Saturday morning after my kids get out of gymnastics. We love the produce and the prices and all the activities they have on the first farmers market of the month. Very important. It's family fun, family oriented, and it's free, so that's great. And the produce prices beat the store for sure. Everything. In the summer we like to eat a lot of raw vegetables because our house gets really warm when our oven is on, and so we make a lot of different salads and things like that.
Taking time out to honor the men and women who serve our country, as well as their families, is something many love to do. The City of Suffolk Parks and Recreation did just that by holding its first Military Appreciation Day. There was a military band, food, and many activities for the kids.
We're at Bennett's Creek Park, and it's a beautiful day, and it's Military Appreciation Day out here. It's just a great feeling to be out here. We've got the great Tradoc Band. Everybody should get out here and hear them. If you've never heard them, it's a treat. We've got the USO. We've got Schwann's Food giving out military dependents their food. So this is just a really special day. And as Suffolk, the military presence in Suffolk is growing so much, and we just appreciate these families. Oh, it's extremely important. Like I said, the children out here today are having a great time. These children, many times their moms and dads are deployed. They don't have them with them all the time. So for us to do this is just a way of saying thank you, and we should say that each and every day.
We have a book reading by Donna Perkey of Miss You to Pieces, and a bunch of other activities, food and fun for the family, to show our appreciation for not only the men and women who serve this country, but their families who stay at home. Everyone is seeming to love all the activities we have. Bounce House is always a huge hit. We also have the Suffolk Fire and Rescue out here with their trucks, always fun for the little kids. This is our first annual event for Military Family Appreciation Day, and we are looking to make this even bigger and better than it is today, bringing out more organizations, showing those who are new to the Suffolk area all that Suffolk has to offer.
I played on the playground. I slide down, and I went across the bridge. Happy Military Day!
The Suffolk Humane Society sponsored yet another successful Mutt Strut and Dog Festival. Dogs and dog lovers came from around Hampton Roads to enjoy dog contests, demonstrations, and to speak with vendors about providing the best care for their lovable canines.
We're at the Mutt Strut in Suffolk, Virginia at the YMCA campus on Kenyon Road, and boy, they have let the dogs out today. It's a great time to be in Suffolk, and it's a great time to have paws for friends. This is our Wessie, Miss Grace, and that's her picture on the thing there. We love our Wessies. We just saw the dog race, and with the costume contest that's going on right now, and I hope that they get lots of adoptions out of this and get lots of awareness for taking care of pets, and I think the Humane Society does a wonderful job with this, and I hope they raise lots of money.
Yeah, the dogs are having fun. All the dogs are friendly. They're out here meeting each other, playing around, drinking water, playing with the games, and having a little fun. So I think it's good because you have so many things where people just don't allow pets, and I think it's a good opportunity for people with pet lovers to get out and expose their pets to to open areas and be educated on the things the health needs of their pets. And so I think it's a great thing. You know, it's sponsored by the Suffolk Humane Society, and I think it's a great thing because it helps people. It helps educate the owners of dogs and you know, explore opportunities of being an owner, a pet owner. So.
Thanks for watching this segment of Suffolk Headlines.